Welcome to 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Key Lessons. We're diving into Stephen Covey's transformative principles for a more effective life. These timeless habits offer a roadmap to personal and professional excellence, guiding us towards a life of purpose, productivity, and peace. Our first habit is be proactive. This is about taking control of your life and your reactions. Being proactive means taking responsibility for your choices and actions, rather than blaming external circumstances. You are the creator of your life. Focus your energy on your circle of influence, the things you can actually control. Don't waste time on things beyond your control. Next, we have habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. This habit emphasizes clarity and purpose. It's about defining your values, understanding what truly matters to you, and setting clear goals that align with your deepest desires. Create a personal mission statement. This acts as your constitution, guiding your decisions and giving direction to your life. Habit 3 is put first things first. This is the habit of effective self-management. It's all about prioritizing tasks based on their importance and urgency. Focus on what truly moves the needle, not just what's shouting the loudest. Master time management and learn to overcome distractions. This habit helps you execute your priorities consistently. Now for habit 4, think win-win. This habit is about effective interpersonal leadership. This principle teaches us to seek mutually beneficial solutions in all our interactions. It's about finding outcomes where everyone feels they've gained. It emphasizes cooperation over competition, fostering an environment of trust and shared success. Habit 5 is seek first to understand, then to be understood. This is the key to effective communication. Practice empathetic listening. Truly hear what others are saying, not just with your ears, but with your heart. Understand their perspective first. This approach builds stronger relationships, fosters trust, and leads to more meaningful and effective interactions. Habit 6, synergize. This habit is about valuing differences and achieving greater results together. And finally, habit 7, sharpen the saw. This is the habit of continuous self-renewal. It means regularly renewing yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. It's about maintaining balance and energy. This habit ensures continuous self-improvement and maintains the balance necessary to practice the other habits effectively. We've covered the 7 habits of highly effective people. Apply these principles to transform your life and achieve lasting success.